if x squared minus y squared is equal 77 and x plus y is equal 7, then y is equal, we have to find the y. So let's see what we have given. We have given that x squared minus y squared is equal 77, and we have given that x plus y is equal 7. We have given two equations and we have two unknowns. So how we solve these two equations? Because on the left side in the first equation we have difference of squares. So we can rewrite this expression. This is x minus y times x plus y. And this is equal 77. And the second expression we can copy. We have given that x plus y is equal 7. So now what we will do, we will substitute in the first equation expression in parentheses x plus y. We have given that this is 7. So we will have to copy x minus y, and we have times 7. Why? Because x plus y is equal 7. So I substitute x plus y by 7. And we have to copy that this is equal 77. So now we have multiplication on the left side. So what we will do, we will divide both sides by 7 to get rid of 7. Both sides we divide by 7. So 7 and 7 we can reduce. 77 divided by 7 is 11. So we have on the left side that x minus y is equal 11. So now we can find, for example, x. So x is equal 11. I will move negative y to the right side, so it will be positive y now. And now we will substitute x in our equation by 11 plus y. So let me copy this. We have x plus y equals 7. We will substitute x by 11 plus y. So we have 11 plus y. We copy plus y. This is equal 7. So I will move 11 to the right side, and y plus y, this is 2y. So this is equal 7 minus 11. When we move to the other side, we have to change the sign. It was positive, so now it's negative. And here we have like invisible 1 and 1. We copy y and we just add coefficients. 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's why we got 2y. So we have 2y is equal 7 minus 11 is equal negative 4. We copy the sign on the greater number. 11 is greater than 7, so we copy negative sign and just do subtraction. From the greater number we subtract smallest. 11 minus 7 is 4. Now we will divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 we will reduce, and we have that y is equal negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. We found y. Because in this example we need to find only y, we don't need x. That's why we can stop now. This is my solution. Y is equal negative 2. If you need x, you'll have to just come back to equation x is equal 11 plus y, and just substitute y by negative 2. So it will be x is equal 11 plus negative 2, because we found that y is negative 2. So this is equal 11 plus negative 2, so this is 9. This is my solution.